Welcome. I am Code Explainer. Accomplishing something great. What everyone wants to pursue. Question is how? Well, Swami Vivekananda have already answered this question in one of his quote. Today I'm gonna summarize it quote and explain you. If you are new to my channel, please take a second to subscribe and hit the bell icon to notified. Why, you may ask? Well, I have made a trailer video and I have already linked in the I button and as well description box below. Please do watch it to know more about my channel. Now, without wasting much time, let's get into the topic. Quote begins like this. No great work can be achieved by humbug. It is through love, a passion for truth, and tremendous energy that all undertakings are accomplished. Therefore, manifest your manhood by Swami Vivekananda. Oh, what a beautiful quote. Well, Swami Vivekananda is giving a 4 key points or tips. It's just need to understand how I am here to help you. So let's decode the first key point. Humble. Yes, no speaking nonsense is the first key point. Well, there is an old saying, barking dog never bites. Exactly the same thing told by Swami Vivekananda. I mean to say, when you are planning something, never tell to a third person, actually second person also. Just do it because action will count, not words. So guys, don't tell what are you doing, just do it, and that is the first step. No speaking nonsense. I know it is a saying is easy but doing is hard, but maintain some secrecy. Don't tell that I will do this, I will do that, I will be the greatest. No. The person who will say he will never do it. So no speaking nonsense. Say with me. No speaking nonsense. No speaking nonsense. Just doing the work. Action. Second key point is love. Now don't think that love is that kind of love where you gonna chase a boy and go and say, feel my love, feel my love. No, not that kind of love. I'm speaking about your favorite work. See, you must enjoy what you are working, what you are as taken as a profession. For example, if you are having a lunch, you will eat your favorite dish while you are enjoying it, or watching Netflix your favorite show, you will enjoy it. The same way, you must find a work where you can make a livelihood as well as enjoy it. Love the work, what are you doing, or find the work, what are you loving it. That's it. Third key point, truthful. Yes friends, truthful. Most of the successful people have morals and as well as truthfulness in their life and as well as in business. Being truthful has its pros and as well as cons, but the cheaters and the frauds end up in a bad way. You just assume that they are success. They are not. Being truthful gives you a goodwill which is very hard to earn, especially these days. So be truthful, and being truthful gives you a success. It takes certain time, but you will have a tremendous success. Actually, I already made a video on how truthful leads to a success. If you want to watch the video, you just need to click the I button or else click in the description box below. So in the moral of the story is, be truthful. It will give you success, but slowly but surely. Fourth key point, energy. Well, let me give an example. Let us strength, six pack. Well, one fine morning, you have decided to get six pack and become a fit, and you go to a gym on day one, you will say, yes, I am going to gym. The 7th day, yes, I am going to gym. 21st day, I am going gym. 31st day, I am going to gym. The 14th one day, tomorrow, and then the tomorrow will never come. So the energy which I am speaking is about consistency and patience. Yes, you need to have lot of stamina or consistency for achieving your goal. Then only you can do it. If you are feeling you can't do it, this is frustration, then either your lack of focus, interest, or you are not doing what you love. As I said, if you don't love anything, you won't make it. Understood? You must take this all as undertakings and manifest in your life. Remember 4 key points. 1. Love what you do or find what you love, and have certain honesty and truthfulness. Then only you will achieve. And don't forget to have patience and consistency. Consistency and patience is the key. It takes years of time to build certain greatness in your life. Key point is no humbug, no speaking nonsense, just doing. Action is the key. Remember, action is the key. If you are watching till now, I hope that I have added some value in your life and in your knowledge. If you enjoy this video, please click the like button, and want to share feedback, please share in comment section, and do subscribe for more videos and hit the bell icon to notify. Stay tuned. Bye for now.